Science!
Oh.
Woo! Science! Hey kids, Professor Marbles. Today we're going to the moon with a rocket. But we have to go outside because that's where the moon is. Let's go to the moon!
Start. 2, 1, boost ignition, and liftoff of the Space Shuttle Discovery, returning to the space station, paving the way for future missions beyond.
Science. All right, so we're at the lab. We're just gonna grab our supplies and then we're gonna head outside. We've got our rocket and we have our launch pad. So out we go.
I don't know, Captain. I just got these J's. They fresh out the box.
Alrighty, so we're outside and we got our rocket. Let's see how far it goes.
Did it work?
No.
Sorry, I forgot the vinegar and the baking soda. They're like two things you really need. So here we go. We got a little measurement on here of how much vinegar we're gonna add, and we already got our base loaded with the baking soda. I wasn't looking, that's a little bit more than the max. All right, so should I just kinda, I'm gonna run that way. No, we tried so hard. That was coming off with big force. That was really coming out. Shoot.
Dang it.
All right, take 2. We're gonna try it again. This time we read the directions. So make sure you always read the directions. We're gonna fill this up with vinegar and we gotta load it sideways and then we're gonna set it down and it should shoot up. Okay, all right.
Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. SpongeBob, careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob.
We didn't get this far last time, so I'm kind of, now comes the shaky.
Okay, Houston, we've had a problem here.
Oh! All right, we're gonna try one more time because we don't want to give up. This time I'm gonna try to hold it by the bottom because last time my hand was in the way and I think it kind of just stopped the whole thing from going. So we're gonna do the same thing.
Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob.
Patrick, the lid's already off.
Okay, I want this so bad.
Houston, we've had a problem.
That was the most height we've had, but the reaction started a lot sooner. And look, it didn't even use all of the baking. It didn't even use all of the... Never give up. Never give up.
Never give up. Never surrender.
We've tried 3 times though, so I think we're... Thanks for watching. Remember to always look for the science around you. And I'll see you at the next experiment.
Gas and dust and many stars, all held together by gravity. Gas and dust and many stars together make a galaxy. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, planets made of rock and metal. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are made of gas.